Hi, welcome. I'm Sharni Haines and I'm just really excited to share something I've just learned about using the new big shot embossing mats that have come to Stampin' Up, being the next new catalogue. So this set comes with three mats. So you've got your thick silicone rubber mat, which is grey, your thin one, which is blue, and the impressions pad, which is, if you can see, it's a white hard plastic. So today what I'm going to show you is what these embossing mats can do with normal dies, like this one. Instead of cutting your die, cutting out your paper with your die, I've just made this card using this die and embossed it. So instead of cutting it, it's left a beautiful image. So just to show you very quickly how I did it, I started off with my base plates. I took away the top plate, the thin die adapter, as you would normally when you're embossing. You start to make your sandwich, so you use a standard cutting pad. And then you have your die and it faces up, like so. And then you put your paper on. Now, what I found was to keep my die in place, just to make sure it behaved itself, just put a little bit of washi tape and made sure the cutting part of the die was facing up, not down like normal when we cut. Okay, then you place your thin rubber mat. So this works on different dies. The more intricate, the better the effect. Oh, and then your impressions white pad that comes with the set. So I'm still playing around and learning, but this worked for me really well and I was very happy with it. So bear with me while I just put him through the big shot. And you can see, take away, and magic. Beautiful. So that's one of many little ideas that I'll hopefully be sharing with you in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. Bye.